Nobody really knows how Tylenol works, but in order to understand the leading theories, we first need to understand how pain works. The human body is covered in nerve cells called nociceptors, which fire when they're stimulated chemically, like from poison or spicy food, mechanically from cuts and bruises, or thermally from burns. When we experience pain, it's because the brain notices that these cells are stimulated. Because acetaminophen works for a wide variety of causes of pain as well as to reduce fever, it suggests that physically it works in the nervous system rather than at the site of pain. One theory is that Tylenol disrupts the production of cyclooxygenase enzymes, which are proteins involved in sending those signals back and forth to and from the brain. If the brain can't communicate with the site of pain, it doesn't know that something happened which should cause pain signals. If that's true, it also explains why acetaminophen reduces fever. Again, if the brain doesn't know that there's something wrong and that it's time to up the body's temperature, then it won't. But it's important to note that this is just one theory. Other researchers have suggested that it may actually work by blocking pain signals at the nerve. Others suggest that it may get itself involved with the human endocannabinoid system, which itself is still not fully understood. All this begs the question, though, of if we don't know how it works, is it safe? Well, according to the experience of basically the entire medical community who have been using it and recommending it to all their patients for the last century, yes.